This is a fascinating concept called genetic compatibility. Evolutionarily, we are hardwired to be intensely attracted to people whose genetic code is very different from ours. So, on a very subconscious level, our bodies smell this culture difference as a biological gift, as a biological gold. This exotic spark was nature's way of saying, this is the perfect match. And that makes our hormone high. And here is the sketch. Yes, biology brings people together to mix genes, to have wonderful, healthy kids. But biology will never explain you how to live together once the hormones settle. So when this biological hormone fall down, then your initial cultural script will wake up.